The Guide to Facial Feminization Surgery. Facial feminization surgery, or FFS, is an increasingly common and multifaceted approach to giving all kinds of women the softer, fuller, more youthful features we tend to associate with classical femininity. Everyone deserves to feel happy and at home in their body and their skin. Everyone deserves to look in the mirror and feel that the reflection looking back at them is beautiful and an accurate representation of who they are on the inside. So find a facial feminization surgeon who is truly passionate and emotionally invested in giving you the transformative yet natural looking results that you're after. Here's a quick guide. What is facial feminization surgery, or FFS? Facial feminization surgery, or facial gender confirmation surgery, is a comprehensive surgery that combines different procedures to achieve the overall effect of a more traditionally feminine appearance and to treat patients' dysphoria. In my practice, I talk to all kinds of women, cisgender, transgender, who have dysphoria about their appearance or are embarrassed or self-conscious about facial features that make them feel too masculine, such as a large or ill-defined chin, a large jawline, a deep or heavy brow line, prominent nose, or receding hairline. Expert plastic surgeons who are specialized in facial feminization can perform several different facial procedures in one operation to make the entire face look more feminine, youthful, and lifted. And surgeons that do this work and understand what gender confirmation surgery really is know that this is not cosmetic surgery. We are doing surgery to treat dysphoria. This is something that reduces suicide rates in a population that have a higher suicide rate anyway. In the general population, the suicide rate is about 4.6%. In transgender people, this is closer to 40%. So this is something that is a big deal, and it is something that we can help with. There are studies that look at quality of life and suicidality in transgender patients, and facial surgery is one of the things that can make the biggest difference. What kinds of plastic surgery make your face look more feminine? Several different procedures can be combined as part of facial feminization surgery. This is not a cookbook thing. It is individualized to each person, what their face looks like and what is going to make them be more feminine, as well as have less dysphoria. At your consultation, your doctor will talk with you about your desired aesthetic results, your dysphoria, and what methods can be used to achieve your goals. From addressing forehead bossing to reducing a prominent Adam's apple with a tracheal shape, I combine any number of different procedures for facial feminization, while customizing protocols that take into account the patient's goals, age, ethnicity, and facial anatomy. Who can get facial feminization surgery? Plenty of patients who are cisgender or born as a female opt to have facial feminization surgery to modify facial features they feel look too manly or masculine. The truth is that most of us were born with a mixture of features that are masculine and feminine. Hormones, genetics can give a more masculine appearance to a biologically feminine face, and vice versa. Facial feminization surgery is for any and every woman who wants their facial features to look more feminine. Do transgender women get facial feminization surgery? Yes. And facial feminization surgery is a huge step in helping transgender women express their femininity. It's a way for the inside to match the outside and for them to see the woman in the mirror that they know that they are. And it's not just that, it's to treat their dysphoria and improve their quality of life in general. In fact, there's several studies that have now shown that for transgender women, facial feminization surgery has an even greater positive impact on mental health and quality of life than genital confirmation surgery. I chose facial feminization surgery because I wanted to help transgender women be able to see themselves in the mirror. I want them to feel as comfortable in their skin as they can and to be as safe and as healthy as they can. The plastic surgeon you choose should combine an eye for detail, an exceptional knowledge of facial anatomy, intuitive people skills, understanding of the trans community, and be able to help you look like yourself. How much does facial feminization surgery cost? This varies widely. It depends on how many procedures you have done, what you're having done. Are you staging this? Are you doing it all at the same time? This can cost anywhere between $15,000, $50,000, just depending on what you're having done. If cost is a discouraging factor, we wholeheartedly advise you to have an initial consultation with the facial feminization surgery anyway, because they are likely to have financing options available, can offer less expensive alternatives to give you similar, if less permanent results, and then also can help you stage this so you can afford what what you need at that time. How should I choose a surgeon for facial feminization? You should go with a surgeon who makes you feel most comfortable, cared about, and listened to. As a female surgeon, I might have a wee bit of an advantage and a better understanding of patients' desired outcomes as far as the look that they're going for. But the most important thing to consider in choosing your surgeon are experience, credentials, recommendations, before and after photos, and just how you feel with that person. Do I need a facial feminization surgeon near me? If you're interested in facial feminization surgery, you may want to travel to a top practice just to ensure that you have one of the top-rated specialists in facial feminization surgery working on and for you. If you want to see me, we would be more than happy to see you and answer any of your questions and go over the procedures. It is not uncommon for my patients to fly in from elsewhere to have me do their facial feminization surgery. Have questions? I genuinely look forward to speaking with you. Email me anytime. Thanks for watching.